Now it is time to save my project. So for me to save my project, I will click on the untitled, delete it and write Chinelo, and I write 1, Chinelo 1. Then it's already saved. And another thing I want to share with you today is you can share your project. So now I've saved my project, I can now share it. I'll just click on share. You see, this is how to share. So it's still writing untitled here. I can still write Chinelo 1. I'm saving my project, children. This is how to save I'm sharing your project. I'm sharing it for other Scratch children to see. Children are on Scratch. So now instruction. How will they be able to make my cartoon work? I'll tell them press space key for the witch to act and click on the princess to move. So now let's do that. So when I click, I press. So I'm pressing it.
Hello, princess. Where are you going?
So I'm pressing the space key, and it's. So that
Hello,
is it.
princess. Where are you going?
So note and credit to Scratch. So that is it. It's already shared. There's nothing again to do. So you can just, that is it, it's already shared. So other people can now see it. You can copy the link. See here, you can copy the link to share with your friends so I can see your project. So that's it.